Hi everyone, I'm Zena, founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com, and this year we have the Tea and Tarot Journey. These are the oracle archetypes, and so what I've done is I've feminized the oracle. And so I made the Magi, the magician, I made her a woman. Each of these teas is organic as well as caffeine free and highly, highly medicinal. And for Valentine's Day and February, which is our 5-year anniversary of being around at Magic Hour, we have the Lovers. And I'm so excited to introduce you to this blend. It is a hibiscus cinnamon blend with Shatavari, which is known in Ayurveda as woman with 100 husbands. So you can think about that for yourself, as well as red Maca, which is incredibly good for women's wellness, as well as Damiana. So Damiana has been known to be an aphrodisiac for thousands of years, and South America, and blended with red Maca and Shatavari, you've got a powerhouse of women's wellness and sensuality herbs, and then you've got the yummy, warming cinnamon spice and the bright red hibiscus. So we're gonna make a quick cocktail. I have made Lovers ice cubes with lavender and roses, which are also in the blend. And so what you wanna do is you wanna steep it, and then you want to add a little honey while it's hot. Nothing sexier than honey, unless you're vegan. Then you can use maple syrup, which is also very sexy. Okay, so you put that in there, and then what you want to do is you want to get some ice and pour the sweetened Lovers into a shaker with ice, and then you want to shake it. So as I'm shaking this, I'll show you the card. And so as you can see, it's the balance between the sky and the earth. There's Father Sky and Mother Earth. So it's a balance of feminine and masculine that's in all of us, because we all have feminine and masculine aspects. So then what you want to do is you want to take this out, put this here, and how beautiful is that? Gorgeousness, pure gorgeousness. Then you can put beautiful lavender rose ice cubes and these little cute little moon ice cubes I made out of the tea. So you steep the tea, and then you can drop in the little ice cubes that are melting, but they're still so pretty. Drop those in, and then you've got a super gorgeous Lovers mocktail with sweetness and with herbs for women's sexual wellness and sensual joy. And it makes a great caffeine-free all-around drink. So it helps with women's cycles. And I'm gonna read a little bit. Well, Ayurvedic wisdom around Shatavari is that it helps women's cycles at any stage. So if you're premenopausal, if you're menopausal, if you're very young, all of that doesn't matter. Shatavari supports your cycles through your whole life as a woman. And then Damiana has been shown to increase feelings of relaxation, as well as supporting the reproductive system. And then red Maca also helps to balance hormones. And then you've got cinnamon, which is balancing your blood sugar, and cinnamon has a wonderful sensuality to it with the heating cinnamon oil. And our cinnamon is extra sweet. It comes from Sri Lanka. And so basically you get this beautiful caffeine-free love potion, and I call it kind of a love punch. And then it's got lavender, which relaxes you, as well as roses, which beautify your skin and also relax you. So this is a powerhouse, and this is the Lovers. So you can get this in our subscription box in all sizes. We have the small pouch, the traveler jar, the full-size jar, as well as the full-size pouch. And that comes in our monthly First Sip subscription box. So we hope you'll join us at clubmagichour.com and get yourself a little bit of lovers for this lovely season of connection and romance and just really enjoying the presence of those you love. Cheers, enjoy.